We receive a lot of inquiries from our viewers and also from our students to demonstrate how to tie this FG knot. This FG knot, it is not easy to master, but once you master it, you can actually tie the FG knot quite fast. So now I will demonstrate to you how to tie the FG knot in under 3 minutes. So now let's say you have a broken line. Your line got stuck and it broke at the main line. So it's time to tie the FG knot. So the best way to tie the FG knot is the leader, right, the whole spool, you grip it, put it under your tie so that it doesn't move. Then after that, you extend a length of the leader out right to the place where you want to tie the knot, so it's convenient for you. And then from the broken line, you pull out the excess line and make the loop. So I shall start the timer now as I tie the FG knot and try to make it under 3 minutes. Okay, so the timer starts now. First, you bend, you form a loop using the main line. After that, you coil around your small fingers and use your 2 fingers to tighten. After that, you do the wrap left and right for 20 times. After 20 times, you lay the main line parallel to the leader, tighten the wraps, then you start to do the half stitch. First half stitch from the top, second half stitch from below. So that is 1 set. So altogether you do 3 sets. After 3 sets, you bend down the leader and do 1 more to close it up. Then you trim off the excess. And your FG knot is done. So if you want to make it look nicer, this free end, there's a very small tip that you trim off. You can use a lighter to burn it. Melt the leader so that it forms a bulb, so it will be more streamlined. Usually for the length of the FG knot, I mean the shock leader, right, I will do at about 1.5 meters. Normally it is at least must be more than the length of the fish that you target, so that the body of the fish will not touch your main line. You only touch the shock leader. And if you are doing casting, when you reel in the line into your spool, all the way into the reel, right, the shock leader, when you do the casting, it is preferable that the shock leader will be at where your index finger will be. So you'll be holding onto the shock leader during casting. Then you'll feel more comfortable and you have more confidence to give it more strength to cast it far. Okay, that's all for today for FG knot. It is very easy to tie once you master it, and you can easily tie it under 3 minutes. I tie under 3 minutes even while I'm explaining it. So if you have any comments, just leave it below, and please like and share this video. I'm Captain Q from My Fishing Frenzy Academy. See you on board.